Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable the touchscreen on your Windows 11 computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and has completely loaded up. Wait for your desktop to appear and for everything to finish loading before proceeding with the next steps. This ensures all system components are ready and accessible. Once your PC is ready and you're on the desktop, locate the Windows menu button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Right-click on this Windows menu icon to open up a context menu with various system options. From the list of options that appears, find and click on Device Manager. This will launch the Device Manager window, which is your central hub for managing all the hardware components connected to your computer. Inside the Device Manager window, you'll see a list of different device categories. Look for the option labeled Human Interface Devices and click on the small arrow next to it to expand this category. This section contains all the input devices that allow you to interact with your computer, including your touchscreen functionality. After expanding the Human Interface Devices section, you'll see several items listed underneath. Carefully scan through the list to locate HID-compliant touchscreen. This is the specific driver that controls your touchscreen functionality. Once you find it, right-click on HID-compliant touchscreen to bring up another context menu with device-specific actions. From the menu that appears, select Disable Device. This action tells Windows to stop using the touchscreen driver. A confirmation window will pop up on your screen with a warning message. This message states that disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning, which is exactly what you want in this case. To proceed and confirm that you want to disable your touchscreen, click on Yes, and that's it. Your touchscreen is now disabled and will no longer respond to touch input on your Windows 11 device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.